So, don't listen to what I'm saying. I'm gonna lay your down. It's okay. I'm gonna lay you down.
We're gonna take you down. We're gonna arrest you, okay?
You're kidding me.
Yep.
For what?
You're being charged with disorderly conduct.
So a YouTuber named Andre Abram and his roommate was filming a podcast in Old Town Scottsdale until they noticed a man filming them and walking up towards them saying disrespectful comments.
Why are you coming over here?
I just want to see what you guys are taking pictures of.
Why is it your business?
Well, you know what? This is my home.
Okay, mine too. Why are you taking pictures
Where
of
do you
me?
live?
I live in Scottsdale. Why are you taking pictures of me?
Michigan plates?
Yeah. Why are you taking pictures of me?
Well, you know what? We've had problems here.
I don't care. You don't know me. Why are you taking pictures of me? And I don't know you. Do you know a lot of white men are doing racist things in this world, sir?
No.
You don't know that? You're not aware of that?
I'm a racist.
You are a racist.
I'm a racist.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay? So
what's
the
your
issue?
point? Why are you here?
Because this is a no zone.
Not really.
Oh, is it?
Not really, sir.
Tell me.
There's not a not. So I'm here. And what
But
I'm
you
about
don't
to
live
do,
here.
what I'm
But
about
you
to
don't
do,
live here.
I do. I stay here. What I'm about to do,
Yeah.
me and my friend, we about to record our videos,
Okay.
and you not gonna do a thing about it. Y'all hear me?
That's fine. I'll
not
tell you
gonna
what.
do
What do you
a
want to hear?
thing. I don't want to hear you say nothing.
Oh, I'll tell you what, though.
You just not gonna do another thing. So,
Why?
as y'all see,
You're
can't keep the
filming me
camera.
doesn't stop
Yeah.
me from doing things.
It doesn't mean I'm about to record my video,
Okay.
and this not gonna do anything,
Okay.
and let you try to touch me. Let you try to touch him.
Well, I wouldn't touch it.
Let you already disrespecting me. Can you step back a little bit? I feel like you harming.
We are 6 feet.
Yeah, no. I need you to step back. So, don't listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm gonna lay your down.
That's okay.
It's okay. I'm gonna lay you down. I'm gonna lay you down.
You are?
Yeah. So,
You ain't.
just stay where you at.
You ain't
And then-
man enough.
It's okay. You don't gotta think I'm man enough, my baby. Yeah, just keep it walking. And it's gonna be like that today, y'all. I hope y'all seen all of that. I am a famous YouTuber. This is actually his establishment. So anybody, y'all all know I just moved to Arizona, and this is his friend as well. So anybody that come to this establishment, y'all know what it is. Y'all know exactly what his establishment is, and y'all know where he works. And it's okay. Hey, we got money and we doing well. He mad. So we gonna handle it like that. You saw he walked away, cause I got something for him and this man. But Kane, pick up your camera. We about to get this in.
So the YouTuber posted that same video on his Instagram page, which went viral, and it gave Scottsdale police no choice but to contact him immediately. And officers went to pay that old man a visit.
Hi, is this Paul?
Yeah,
Hey, Paul, this is Officer of the Scottsdale Police Department.
yeah,
Hey, I was wondering if I could talk with you for a few minutes. Are you available?
sure.
Okay, do you want to come down here? You want me to come up there, or what you want?
Oh,
Which works best?
I'll let you in.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now he's going to have to explain his cause of actions to the officers. He also does not own the establishment. He just lives above it.
About an incident that happened earlier out here on the street. I was just wondering what led up to all that.
Well, I saw these two black guys
Okay.
early in the morning.
Do you remember about what time?
Seven something.
Okay.
I walk my dogs early in the morning.
Okay.
And the guy was going around with a camera. Pretty sophisticated camera.
Okay.
Nothing like, not a tourist.
Okay.
So he's walking around and he's going up and down the street and he's taking pictures, both sides. And because of the incidents or the stuff that we've had going on here,
Right.
oh man, keep an eye on these guys. Basically, like, we had the incidents up here at the mall, and then when we had the march back here and everything. Well, you know what? I live upstairs. I don't need anybody coming down here and torching anything, because I'd be in the oven. I'd be gone. My wife is basically housebound,
Okay.
and I can't evacuate her. So I got to be very careful. So I see these guys do all this, and in the past, what we've done is, whenever we see cars that are going back and forth, etc., we make a mental note or we take a picture. Okay. So I took a picture of those guys. And they took exception to the fact that I took a picture of them. So I said, well, you're taking pictures here, why can't I take a picture of you? First words out of his mouth were, there's a lot of white people around here that are racist. I said, well, look at one. And I told him, I said, look, we don't need around here. That's exactly what I told him. And, well, we went back and forth a little bit. I said, okay, well, guys, I'm gone. And it started.
And you walked away?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't touch him. I said, hey, I'll maintain the 6 foot, away from you and everything. And he claimed he's a resident of Scottsdale. Well, the license plate wasn't Arizona. So.
Do you remember where it was from?
Yeah, I made a picture of it. I took this picture. Okay. So I took that picture first. And then they took a picture of me.
Okay.
Okay. Then I forwarded the picture to another guy down here, one of the shop owners, and he couldn't read the license plate. So I said, okay, I'll go get a closer look. So I got a closer look. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this is really suspicious because 7 o'clock in the morning, there's usually nobody on the street. Okay? So for these guys to be sitting out here messing around with cameras and everything, but look in the background here.
So he tells the police that Andre and his roommate can't be out there recording, in which he is wrong. It's a public area. There's no law against that.
2 more guys.
Okay.
All right. Now I'm not paranoid or anything, but I keep an eye on the neighborhood, and this is unusual for the neighborhood.
Okay.
7 o'clock in the morning. Now we know there's BLM, we know there's Antifa, and we also know that probably starting November 1st, because everything's been so damn quiet around here, we can anticipate something. And I'm just getting ahead of the game. So I documented it.
Okay.
After the officers got Paul Young's side of the story, little did he know that they will be back 24 hours later to execute an arrest. If he was smart enough, he would have known back in 1964, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed the Civil Rights Act, which prohibits discrimination in public places. So you can't just walk up to 2 black guys in a public area saying this is a no N-word zone.
Hey, Paul.
Come on in. You got your sidekick there again today?
Yeah.
Use your backup?
Not back up, just.
Gentlemen.
Paul, I just wanted to follow up with last night. I know we talked about the whole incident, so it's still referenced that whole incident. We talked about some of the comments being made between you and that other gentleman.
Mm-hmm.
So, clarifying from you, I kind of want to understand, do you kind of see how the comments you made might be provoking and insulting in any way?
Well,
I mean,
of course.
from his
I mean,
point of
it
view?
was, remember what I told you. The first words out of his mouth were, Scottsdale's full of white racists. And my comment directly to him, which you won't see on the video because they weren't videoing it, I said, hey, they're not all white. That's what I said to him.
All right, yeah, that part wasn't on the video.
Yeah, of course not.
Did you watch the video? Go back, because I know you're saying that you're going to.
I haven't
Okay,
seen it.
that's no problem. But you do understand how the comments that you made to him would be provoking, almost provoking a fight. I mean, would it be fair to say that, put yourself in his position, that those kind of comments might kind of imply that you want to fight?
Huh? They're inflammatory?
I'm asking what you think.
Well,
let's look at it from your perspective.
To be inflammatory.
Do you feel like it would be fair to assume that, from his point of view, it might be provoking any kind of retaliation or fight that you might have been trying to to get him riled up?
No, of course not. But 7 o'clock in the morning, when there's nobody in town to be out there you know, taking pictures of everything and mapping the place. I mean, that's a recon team. I know it. I think we all know it.
So what was your full intentions when you used those kind of that
you know, he inflamed me when his insinuation was that Scottsdale is full of white priestess. And we're not. And you know,
fair.
If he wants to call them all white racists, I just let him know they're not all white. So that's basically what it was all about.
Yeah, and you're right, that part wasn't on video, so this is kind of new.
Yeah.
I didn't hear about any of that last night. So you do understand how that there can be serious fallback from the comments that
I can understand that, but the thing I'm wondering now is, why are we wasting so much energy on this? It'll be dead by next Tuesday.
Well,
It'll be gone. This whole thing will be forgotten and gone.
are you talking about the incident as a whole?
Yeah.
Okay, but
The backlash from it is going to be gone.
we're going to take it down. We're going to arrest you, Kay.
You're kidding me.
Yep.
For what?
Take this.
For
You're
what?
being charged with disorderly conduct.
You gotta be kidding
But
me.
can you take your other hand out of your
Wait,
pocket?
wait, wait.
Hold on.
No,
Nope.
I understand.
We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it.
I'm not protesting. I'm not protesting. All I want to say is reach in my right hand pocket. I'm just letting you know.
Okay. You have weapons or what?
Yes.
Okay.
So Paul has a firearm on him during the arrest, which makes you realize, was he carrying one on him during the incident, trying to find a reason to use it?
What do you normally carry when you come out your house, or is it just for us?
Well, not just for you guys. It's under the circumstances, you know, with the issues going on here, et cetera, et cetera. And I'm just playing it on the safe side.
So do you always carry that then? Is that that's what he's asking?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I mean, it's Arizona. Of course, but it's totally legal.
I'm very well aware of it.
And I appreciate you telling us.
No, that's how it works.
The fact you had that cup in your hand, never put your hand in your pocket. So
So Paul was taken down to the station and was released with a citation. To make his situation worse, the real estate agency that he worked for made a statement about the incident and saying that Paul has been fired. Here is the YouTuber's Andre's reaction to the outcome of the incident.
Spot, but even this wasn't enough punishment according to his victim.
Is that a harsh enough punishment for him? I feel as if the Scottsdale Police Department did handle that very well. They did give me a call the same night. Asked me if I would want him to be arrested or prosecuted. I did say I wanted him prosecuted to the furthest extent. So we are still figuring out if that is the furthest extent he can be prosecuted. So my goal is to just set an example. I don't want this done to any other American. I want everybody to know that this is not okay. So again, things figure out if that is the furthest that we can go with this thing.
Do you have any message to the man that you encountered right now? Like, what would you say to him?
I would let him know this is not okay. We can't do this anymore. We deserve to just walk the street. I wasn't doing nothing that day but trying to motivate the people, inspire the people. That's what my Boss Talk podcast on Dre TV is all about, motivating the people and inspiring the people. And that's what I was there that day to do. So I just need you to understand, I had no hatred in my heart. I had nothing towards this man prior. So it's not okay to just come up someone, especially someone with just pure love and motivation and inspiration in their heart, and just disrespect them in a way when they're trying to just motivate their crowd. I had 94,000 people at the time. That's a large amount of people to motivate every day. So I'm just out there trying to do what I can for my fan base and keep them uplifted throughout these harsh times.
Paul never apologized or made a statement on the situation. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Always remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video on the screen.